Mercedes E-Class Evolution, 1946 to 1955, 170V to 170DS. After the end of World War II, the company resumed passenger car production in 1946 with the 170 volts. The model was actually produced in 1936, but it was upgraded for use by the rescue services, police and tradespeople. 1 year later, the corresponding saloon was launched as the brand's first post-war car with a 38 HP engine, which was upgraded to 44 HP from 1950. 1952 to 1962, Mercedes Benz Ponton and their iconic story. In 1952, German magazine Das Auto Motor und Sport published a picture of a 180 prototype, accompanied by a parody of Goethe's iconic ballad, and since then, the word has become synonymous to scoop in German. 1961-1968, the Mercedes-Benz tail fin with passive safety and modern comfort features. 1968 to 1976, with new design, a coupe derivative and a long wheelbase limo. With 7 or 8 seats, the W114, W115 was nicknamed the Stroke 8. Based on the suffix referred to the year of launch 1968, this was Mark's first model to sell in more than 1 million units, and by 1976, over 1.8 million saloons and 67,000 coupes were built. 1,976, 1,986, first official estate and even more gear. In 1976, the lineup was improved once again with the introduction 123 model series. Around 2.7 million units were built until 1986, which had made it the most popular E-Class until then. Some customers had to wait up to a year to take delivery, which kept resale prices high. 1,984, 1,997, the first Mercedes-Benz E-Class is officially born, more diverse than ever. This generation was offered in 4 body styles, namely a sedan, estate, coupe and, for the first time in recent history, a cabriolet, plus a long wheelbase variant and other special models. 1995 to 2002, the E-Class with twin headlamps, launched in 1995. The second-gen E-Class brought a double headlamp design and 3 equipment grades named Classic, Elegance and Avant-Garde. The engine lineup included a generous host of gasoline and diesel units, with outputs between 95 and 347 HP in the 50 AMG, and an estate variant was also available. 2000 to 2009. Further evolution, the W211 rolled off the assembly line, with an evolutionary styling, more passive and active safety by xenon headlights, automatic aircon, rain-sensing wipers and many others, as this was, after all, made in the modern era. Other highlights included the 4-link front and multi-link rear independent suspension, air suspension and ESP. 2009 to 2016, more evolution, no revolution. The E-Class was further refined for the W212 generation, which was shown in early 2009, with a further evolution of the design language, more aerodynamic and technical improvements, as well as a selection of modern engines which were topped by the 525 HP 63. 2016 to 2020. The 5th Gen E-Class was presented at the 2016 Detroit Auto Show, with a Russian doll design, advanced car-to-car communication, smartphone integration, new infotainment system and a lot of safety gear. This date was introduced half a year later, and the coupe and cabriolet followed in 2017. 2020 for Evolution, 2020 for model on sale late this year in the US. 2 all-wheel drive variants initially will be offered, the 2.0 all-4-cylinder in the 350 Formatic developing 255 horsepower, and a 3.0 all inline 6-cylinder in the 450 Formatic with 375 horsepower, up 13 horsepower compared with its predecessor. Thanks everyone for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like videos.